everyone and welcome back. My bedroom has finally got a small makeover and that's what I'm going to share with all of you today in this video. I have made some changes and added a few elements to deck up this space. Also, the ideas I have shared are all renter friendly, so this tiny makeover is for anyone and everyone. I started with dusting the walls, ceilings and all the nooks and corners of the space because for me the creative flow begins with a clean space. If you watched the previous video, you know how the entire room had cracks all over. I tackled it all last week. I filled the cracks using POP. It took me a few hours from the weekend, but the results were satisfactory. And this is what my walls look like right now. Adding my new solid wood side table to one side of the bed and to the other side, I'll do a jugaad and use my daughter's toy boxes as another side table. I believe decorating your home doesn't require a lot of money. It's all about how you use your creativity to make the most out of the existing things in the house. This concept, however, doesn't apply on appliances because there you need to keep multiple aspects in mind. For example, power consumption, longevity, sustenance, maintenance and whatnot. So I've got my old fan replaced with SuperFan, which is India's first BLDC fan launched in 2012. I was impressed by the eco-friendly packaging that it came in because it did not contain plastics or thermocol. The best thing is all their products are covered with long 5 years warranty. Being a home decor enthusiast, I love the fact that their ceiling fans come in a variety of styles to complement your home decor. Some models even feature blade designs inspired by flower petals or leaves. Can you believe that? I love the way the fan has transformed the look of my bedroom. We'll discuss more on that further in the video, but in a while. Here I'm adding the artificial trailing plant to give the room a green effect. These are some super classy wall decors, light in weight and require no drilling. It's an awesome pick for rented spaces. All the products shown in this video are mostly purchased online, so you'll find all the links in the description box. I'm also changing the bedspread to create a clean and fresh vibe in here. I have picked mustard yellow as these days I connect more with warm and vibrant tones, which I know is temporary. Here I'm using my daughter's old plastic bottle as a decor piece. Also adding my healthy and bushy pothos to make the space lively, which I have to keep outside every once in few days. If your plants do well indoors, you need no extra decor stuff. Keeping fresh plants alone, I feel, is a kind of decor in itself. Talking further about this smart beauty in my bedroom, I can't help myself from admiring this super fan, and I literally mean the word super fan. There's so much to mention about their product, be it their dual-cool technology, their infrared-enabled remote control, or their energy efficiency. You name a feature, they already have the feature. If you look at the design closely, you will realize that they are designed to provide abundant airflow even at low speeds. And guess what? There's something available for my creative friends too. There is an additional feature available on some models where you can get your fans personalized. All you have to do is upload the design and they will get it hand painted for you. So a customized fan. Isn't that interesting? I couldn't help but mention their compact remote control, which I actually fell in love with. These remote controls are super easy to operate as they let you choose from multiple speed options. Also, some models come with a natural breeze mode that mimics the feeling of a natural breeze. They also have this awesome timer function that allows you to set the fan to turn off automatically after a certain amount of time. To check out their product list, please click on the link available in the description box. Do share your views on this tiny makeover. Also, don't forget to like the video before you leave. Consider subscribing the channel if you love watching such simple and informative videos. On that note, I'll wrap up this video and see you next week with another super interesting video. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye-bye.